side button on your iPhone won't budge, but you need to make a quick Apple Pay payment. Don't sweat it. There's a clever workaround. First, we're going to dive into your iPhone settings. Tap on the gray gear icon to open it up. Once you're in settings, scroll down the list until you find accessibility. It's usually marked with a blue icon featuring a person inside a circle. Tap on that. Inside accessibility, we're looking for the touch option. Give that a tap. Now, you'll see an option called AssistiveTouch. Tap on that and flick the switch at the top to turn it on. You'll see a little floating button appear on your screen. This AssistiveTouch button is our secret weapon. Tap on it and then select Customize Top Level Menu. You'll see a few icons. If there isn't a home button icon, tap the plus symbol to add one. This will give us a virtual home button. Now, go back to the main AssistiveTouch menu by tapping it again, then select Device. From the Device menu, you'll want to tap More and then you should see Apple Pay listed. Tap on Apple Pay. And there you have it. Your iPhone will now prompt you to authenticate your payment using Face ID or your passcode, bypassing the need for the physical side button. So, even with a broken side button, you can still enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay. This accessibility feature is a lifesaver for quick, contactless payments.